Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide how to fix the white screen or death on Windows 11 or 10 laptop. So what you can do is you can click on your screen and then you can press Ctrl Alt and Delete button together. Now you will see this kind of window. Once you press Ctrl Alt and Delete button together, open the task manager. Even you can press Ctrl Shift and Escape key, and now look for Windows Explorer here. You can search here as well, Windows, and here is Windows Explorer. Make a right click on it and simply restart it, and restart will refresh the taskbar setting as well as the task manager on your Windows, and see if that is able to fix the issue or not. If that is not working, simply run a new task and type here explorer.exe. Create this task with admin and click on OK, and now issue should be fixed. So this is a quick video and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.